It's nice to be here. Hallelujah. Anyone? By triple VVVs. Osvaios. Ahlale nje ndawo. Ahlale nje sibanzi. Hallelujah. Jesus. Love them so much. Love them. I love them. Ande bathanda shem. Ngoba abantu abanje ngabaqala ufumana izibusiso phansi kwenkosi. Very ngabantu abaqala. Kudala nama phambi kwale ndawo ndithi xa nithethe nani ndithi ngicela nje umuntu abemnyaze nje ngaphambili. Nikhikize ningayazi ukuthi nawuthola ini manifika phakaphambili afika umuntu afumana i200 nje ehlelele ngayicelana because abantu abakwazi ukuphakama and grab an opportunity are the first people to get the blessing, are the first people to get the opportunity, are the first people to get the miracle, are the first people to get the glory, are the first people to get the first people to get the mercy of the Lord. Abantu abafana nawe nje ngabaqala nje uphilisa ngoba bayayazi ukuthi ngiphakama nje kule ndawo ndisiwa kwindawo engcono ngizafika ngihlatshwe ehlalweni esibanzi ngoba lo Jesu uhamba naye yena umthathe lana wase wambeka lana ayomsusa kule ndawo ayombekela la phezulu. Hallelujah. Abekho abafika bahlala la akhona umuntu ohlala la akhona umuntu ohlala la. Okay, we can continue. Sesohamba right now. Please look at namhlanje sawufumana in the book of Jonah, chapter number 1, verse 1 to 6. The book of Jonah, chapter number 1, verse 1 to verse 6. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Chapter number 1, verse 1. Jonah flees the presence of the Lord. Now the word of the Lord came to Jonah, the son of phakathi kwamaphiko kaThixo. Usakhuselekile phakathi kwabantu kwayo. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Around 2 ekuseni namhlanje ukubona xa uvukayo uvukela laa nto ithi thandaza okanye funda endaweni ethile ngokukhawuleza nje ndaqonda uba khambele kancinci dilele mani lele kamandi but yabrodarisha le nto ithi wake up and pray right now. Ndiyaphethuka ebhedini bangajikajika ithi ndithi vuka uthandaze. And then I woke up. Ndazibuza uthandaza ndithini na bendivukile ngo-1 nje ndathandazela abantu base-Akofayo abangandithandazeli yona. Hallelujah. ubuyafika kule ndawo uyosixolela singabantu abathanda uhleka phakathi kweli khaya ungazosithatha serious. Hallelujah. Ndithandazile ngathandazela inkonzo ngathandazela I covered Thixo, I think I covered everything, man. What do you want me to pray about? And he said, khawuthandazela umyeni wakho. And I was like, yo, besixabene man nala mek madipake nje kancinci like ngisaqombile yabo ndiselala benilele enqombile so ndifuna ucela ngoba so uzabanele man wathi ndithandaza nqoma yo inzima le nto icala ngizothandaza kanjani man asifani asitshayisane at this moment asitshayisane yabo asifani ngomlomo right now kodwa at least khona la khona nto oh I got umuntu wami at some point yebo I woke up and I prayed. I've never prayed so long and so hard about my husband since Kamangayizolo. And then xa ndivuka ekuseni ayibosana uThomi akanayibambi ngefone and I still call uThomi akayibambi ngefone ndingena kuWhatsApp ndithi yabona ke bafo nakudala ufonela phela ufonele ngoku and then ndaphinde yaqoka mase ndaphinde ndifone yabo ndaphinde ndifone after ndisende i-voice note I think 2 minutes or 3 minutes anyana angena khona share khona ayibamba mina ke unevibe ne ungilapho acting ngakhona wrong nobuza kuye ngalamsindo ungakanani uzafika athi my wife ndithi mina uthi my wife whereas I've been calling you the whole night and succeeding and he's like yo khawume kancinci oko man awuyazi into endisuka kuyo ndithi usuka kwani mna ndakufonela athi mfazi wami khawubrike not ngoku ndibrike ndifamene ndisanongena engozini at this moment and my heart literally sank ungidrophela ifowuni sizovala airtime yam and then he quickly sent a WhatsApp message wangisendela ivideo yemoto imoto iphele imoto ahamba ngayo iphele i-airbags zi-out